Hey friends, Avi Physio here. Welcome to the third video in the posture correction series. In today's video, I'm going to specifically address excessive anteriorly tilted pelvis, or in other words, an overarching lower back. I'm also going to suggest a few exercises that you can do to correct it. Even if you don't have an excessive arch at your lower back, these exercises will still help to improve mobility as well as improve your core stability. If you missed the previous videos in the posture correction series, I will attach a link below. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, hit subscribe for more content that allows you to be the best physical version of you. Now, what causes an excessive tilt at the pelvis? Well, let's look at my spine. Well, that's my spine. I mean, this is a model that I have. Anyway, your spine has three movable curves. That's an inner curve at the neck, an outer curve at the middle back, and an inner curve at the lower back. The muscles at the front here of the pelvis are known as your hip flexors, and they often get shortened and also weak. And the muscles at the back, known as your glutes, they also get weak, and as a result, it tips the pelvis forward, and that results in an excessive arch at the lower back. Therefore, the two exercises that I'm going to show you today, one helps to strengthen the weak glutes, and the other helps to stretch out the shortened hip flexors. This is your hip flexor stretch. You want to go into the proposal position, which is your kneeling. You want to tuck the pelvis towards the floor and lean forward so that your weight's on your front leg, and you'll feel a stretch at the back here. Now, to add to the stretch, you can tense the glute, you can straighten up, and you can swing the arm up and over as if you're trying to put this hand in the opposite pocket and hold for 30. Another variation which gets the quadricep portion of the flexor is you can grab your back foot and pull towards the buttock while squeezing the glutes here. This exercise is known as the glute bridge. You lie on your back, get your knees bent, push through your heels, and lift the pelvis up until the body is parallel. You want to repeat a few times. Make sure you squeeze the glutes at the top of the motion. Now, if you're doing the exercise and you're not feeling it in the buttocks, but more the hamstring or more the lower back, then you want to try lifting your feet onto a raised surface, such as a couch or a chair, and then try the glute bridge, and that allows the glutes to activate a bit better. Progressions of the exercise, some of you might find this quite easy. You can go into the top position, you can straighten a leg and hold, or you can do one-legged bridges, or if you find that really simple, you can place your hand up and try it to progress the exercise. Please leave a like or a comment if you found this video useful, and share it with someone who you feel could improve their posture. In the meantime, guys, stay safe and stay strong.